Student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello student, good morning. Today in class 10th chemistry, the chapter is acids, bases and salt. So earlier you know very well about acids, you know very well about bases. What now third concept, salt. So how is salt formed? What are the characteristic feature of salt? What are the families of salt? And what types of salts? Means their categorization of their types. So dear student, you know very well when acid reacts with base to form salt and water. And you know very well it is a kind of neutralization reaction. So about salt, salts are ionic compounds. Means salts, they are made up of ions, that is a cation and anion. Cation positively charged and anion negatively charged. So here these salts are produced, means they are formed after the neutralization reaction between acids and bases. So in that acid plus base to form salt and water. So this is the formation of salt and such kind of reaction. This is a neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. So suppose that HCl, this is a hydrochloric acid, reacts with NaOH, this is the sodium hydroxide, to form NaCl, this is a salt, sodium chloride and H2O. So here common salt, this is a sodium chloride, this is also known as table salt, that used at our homes. So here few characteristic of salt. So student, salts are ionic compounds. Second, most of the salt soluble in water. Say third one, most of the salt are crystalline and opaque in nature. The next, salt solution conduct electricity in molten state, means they are fused state. Next, the taste of salt is bitter, sour, salty, and sometimes sweet also. They have a special type of odor also. So dear student, these are the characteristic feature of salt. Salts are ionic compound. Second, most of the salts soluble in water. Most of the salt are crystalline and opaque. Salt solution conduct electricity when it is in molten phase. The taste of salt is bitter, sour, and salty and sweet. They have special type of odor also. So these are the second concept here. Types of salts. So here, on the basis of pH value, the salt may be acidic, the salt may be basic, or the salt may be neutral. So dear student, about acidic salt. Salts which are formed after the reaction between a strong acid, in this case acid is strong, and a weak base, these are known as acidic salt. And for acidic salt, the pH value is lower than 7. So for example, hydrochloric acid, hydrochloric acid plus ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. So this is a weak base and this is a strong acid. To form NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, ammonium chloride and water. So dear student, here HCl, this is a strong acid, and NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, this is the weak base. Now second one about neutral salt. Salts produce because of reaction between a strong acid and a strong base. Means here both are strong. These are neutral salt or salt in neutral nature. So the pH of such kind of salt equals to 7. For example, potassium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid, HCl, to form KCl plus H2O. Potassium chloride. Potassium chloride. For example, HCl plus NaOH. Both are the strong. Gives NaCl plus H2O. So in this case, a strong acid and a strong base react together to fully neutralize the reaction. But here acids are not fully neutralized, that is why this is acidic salt. And last one, basic salt. Salts produced because of reaction between a weak acid and a strong base are called basic salt. So in basic salts, weak acid reacts with a strong base. So here pH more than 7. And in this type of salts, the basicity means the basic nature is not fully neutralized. That is why these are the basic salt. So for example, one is weak acid H2CO3. This is a carbonic acid. Carbonic acid plus a strong base sodium hydroxide. So it will form here Na2CO3 plus H2O. So such kind of reaction is known as sodium hydroxide. So here this is about acidic salt, about nitrous salt and about basic salts on their pH value. So dear student,
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.